Hey amigas, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. This look is inspired by Kylie Jenner. She posted a picture on her Instagram and I thought, hey, why not? And for this look, we're going to be using Maven Beauty products. So if you want to see how I achieved it, keep watching. First, I'm going to start off with the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Soft Blend Palette, and I'm going to be using that dark shade at the top, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid with a fluffy brush. After I have my shadow applied, I'm going to line my eyes with my Maven Beauty liquid liner in the color black. After that, I'm going to be putting that same shade in my under eye to balance out my eyes a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to be using my Maven 3D Cheek Powder in Plush. And this is a perfect color. This is so similar to what Kylie is wearing in the picture. And then for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Palette in Define. I'm going to be grabbing the black shade and I'm going to be doing the rest of the liner. I'm just going to be following my eyeliner and the natural contour of my crease and just connecting those together. Then I'm going to apply some highlighter. This is the Maven Beauty highlighter in Dripped Out. I'm going to be putting it in the inner corners of my eyes, my brow bone, and the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and everywhere that is a high point on my face. And now to finish off, I'm going to be using the Maven Beauty lipstick in Snatched. This color is also very similar to the one Kylie's wearing. And this is the finished look. Stormy. I need to work on my Kylie Jenner voice. But this is the finished look. Later on, I switched the hairstyle because I felt like that hairstyle just wasn't for me. So I changed it to my own, but this is the same makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a super easy look, yet it makes you look very put together because the eyeliner is very different from, everyday eyeliner. Remember that all of the products will be linked down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like this video, comment something down below, and subscribe to this channel. Let me know what other looks you guys want me to do, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!